How to make Gmail account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can make Gmail account. Now making Gmail account or creating a new Gmail account is quite simple. Simply open up your Gmail app, you'll get an interface like this. Now tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen, and here what you want to do is tap on add another account. Now simply tap on add another account, and here you'll be able to set up new email. Here simply select the platform that you want. I'll just select Google here. Now once you do is verify your PIN or security code here, and then it'll take you to sign in page. Now on sign in page, what you want to do to be able to make Gmail account is simply tap on create account option at the bottom left corner of your screen. Tap on create account, and you can either choose it for your business purpose or yourself. Simply tap on any option that you want and then enter your first name and last name here. Now I'll just enter my first name and last name. I won't be creating one, but I'll just show you here, and then tap on next. And once you tap on next, enter your birth date here. I'll just enter randomly anything that I want, and then just select your gender and tap on next again, and it'll ask you to choose or pick a Gmail address. Now you can either create your own by tapping on create, or you can select the one here that is already made here, and then tap on next option and then enter a strong password here. Simply type in your password and then tap on next, and it'll ask you for phone number verification. And once it asks you for phone number verification, you can either go through the verification process so that your Gmail account is safe and verified, or you can skip the process and your account will be created. So this way you can make Gmail account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.